1, go. Let's go, Romy.
Hi, my name is Romy, and I created this web page for a business that I created, but it's not real, called Jumble Juice. It's a smoothie shop, and I have created this web page. It's Jumble Juice's web page. So over here, I have a login page, which I created as well. And here there is a slide where it just shows different pictures with different words on it. And here it's kind of it shows some of the things that the shop sells.
Okay.
Then some of the recipes here, and a quote from me.
Pretty good. All right, Romy. Now, tell me about the experience learning web development. What do you think? How was it? How has it been?
I think it was really fun, and getting to learn so much new things to create web pages was a good experience for me.
And what do you think? What do you want to tell the new coders who are really new in web development, who just started?
That well, that if they learn a lot and they try more codes, then they will be able to create websites and web pages that they thought were hard when they started.
Exactly. So Romy is exactly 10 years old. 10, right, Romy?
Yeah.
Yes. And she had been learning web development for about a year, right?
Yeah.
So thank you, Romy. I'm gonna stop the recording.